when you possible. Oh my God, Yentifu. Yamuye when you possible. Oh my God. Right, so music from Joey Popkins and the Medical. Because this one Yentifu. Right, so the song we heard before this one is a song from The Melody and some various rappers from Akimodan. Because that one ODA. Charlie, the talent he did this time. The talent he did this time. Charlie, KT there back on the moment. Yaboba Jebasa Bobby. Bay from KT. Charlie Chrome her talent to Chrome her. Right, so this is KT. He calls this one Bay. Elijah Kambiana born at Jesem. Mikita Shawo for Puman Chesem, what is your pen? Yatuapete, Papa Mani Yatuapete. 194 my member yet, one to Yawa, one and ya Hajene, I had your sire, Hajene, Yatrape, Mr. Kid, the Shakotia, Yamine. Do be give and take, we know the law. You still the break, me who hates man. My genius and Darius can take a fine song. We all get space, when the beer and say me test. Why we did because plan one day. We all the fuck with dread. Mama minya mana dakamu ya show. Itie manu metie mako ni baba kecho. Ujawo hu me free wisa obi beba becho. Tinya matete na moke kami ni mu wada jo. Ya de samu be una ya klo. Ya te sabe info ya koji nya na jo. Ntasunya ya sa ube mu ya fenyo. Na so nya me mani saso wa dani bago blow. Alright, so music from KT. That's right. Any introduction crowd, crowd. And we are in the ordained spirit. I'll give you the first one from a Komavo and I know they call that one Yabeye. Charlie talent he did this time. And they're Friday, so know what they do. I mean, you know that. Alright, so give me that song from a Komavo. Charlie, Yabaya, Manaya, Fre, Yabaya, Manaya, Fre, Yabaya, Manaya, Fre, Yabaya. Negro. To be frank, I'm away and I'm so many quick cool ones. I'm 80 minutes through. Or Brian Chinese film, yeah, ninja, sent Negro. But I can't swear. Check. Moment to point land, women to two. Because I'm a biscuit, I got my recess pass. I'm a Maya fine too, man. Sitting on my tea. Then two come and once and pam. I don't mind you. Mama, me don't look. Now me mama gone. This who concert to say I'm gone. I was broke. Now me a young and dumb. Now poverty is wrong. Charlie, Yabaya, Manaya, Fre, Yabaya, Manaya, Fre, Yabaya, Manaya, Fre, Yabaya. Yo, right from bed when I wake up. One thing way I know the wet for. And it's something many better others and you so some pen boy the west tough. Time and energy, this what it be you hard work and your good work. With it in a few minutes as a referee. Press one day you go kick off. Be a shit. Before you be on pet, but you been a VS will be on tech. Yeah, the assassin will be a set. Sabi here, grab man pet. Never take out one down. I want for your body and front chest, so be ready to bra. That's right. You went in a vocal, Fred in a hustle, son of hustle, be hot too, Nana, oh, be cross one, Brabba Choco, Fenia dinner hustle, forcing a double hustle, some far. I swear, it's been blame so right, so let's listen to another jam from Akimodan Boys. They call this one a Frakoma Coffee Twist. Yeah, they call this one a Frakoma. Let's go. Hey.
Shanu Kumasia wanting so. I'm Pakwalani Yakwalani FM saying was media for command. Oh, your babu no babene to say no, why no. Yeah, why no? Ocean and only live rose. I got any mini choice. Will you be my baby girl? Welcome for my peace. Oh, yeah, buy my son, no, Shanu Kumasia wanting so. I'm Pakwalani Yakwalani FM saying was media for command. Oh, your babu no babene to say no, why no.
Why no?
Yeah, why no? Ocean and only live rose. I got any mini choice. Would you be my baby girl? Welcome for my peace. Baby girl, welcome to
my so me didn't go in a coma. What am I say? So I'm in a jet in a tree and go on it that day. I go there, it's you up. Friend, me sang him around me dinner. Sound where a bad bitch, they're going to today. And come on, me will be the papa and put it in catch me, boy. Let me hear me visa. Never ya could you more star. Sweet boy, let me hear me visa. Never ya could you more star.
That's right. Alright, so this is the reason why it will be as if we would never give up on these guys. I don't go lie, you. Talent did this time. Talent did this time. Right, so music from Street Life Entertainment. If you twist, and they call this one a Frakoma. Beautiful music, well composed. And the one we played from the melody or down. Charlie Chroma, their talents were. Anyway, my Miami official signing. I'm here. Charlie, give me some instrument and make us see me to go for rapper. We are doing this for my folks, for my people. Yes, hey. It's me introduction. Right, so folks, it's a Friday morning, 45 minutes after 10. This is what we do on radio every Friday morning. Your friend me Jenny me champion Kobina Boatin, call me Kobina Kosti. Or call me a brand upon the perfect gentleman. A big shout outs to my DJ, producer extraordinaire. Man like Emmanuel Jumo, DJ. Everybody. Now, see, your friend come now. Okay, tie energy ni wa. Ana me so me fan to form kakra. Okay, tie. Everybody say, Africa say. Hey. Charlie, so nyame adam o chan be defining rhythmic African poetry on Showbiz 933 and go live. So watch now, stay tuned. Between the hours of 1 to 3 p.m. It's going to be a fun conversation. Myself and my brother KT, and it's gonna be a lot of rap. Yeah, watching out here. We'll go enjoy. We go enjoy good music. We go enjoy rap music, probably from OVA. 80-70 man rap in the crowd. China, you people go hear rap on the show. Call my man KT. This is the big building. You see the big building. That's right. So this is what we do. We say one day after Kwame Eugene, another artist go blow from a Kemoda, and he go take the world by surprise. Another serious rapper. Yeah, rapper and it could be a singer, it could be someone that do her life or whatever. One person go blow without that. I don't have any job. One person go blow, and of course it must happen. It will happen. It will happen. Fingers crossed. But the talent today this time. In fact, I chimo down the talent overdose. When it comes to swag, don't go there. When it comes to beautiful ladies, Don't go there. When it comes to delicious foods, yummy, right? Say, hey. Etiti, your family costy. We had no one kind. Obi anu si de Eye hasty. Yampe obi a oye baba nesi kesty. Hey. What the costy? Then so oye hasty. Nasty, plenty, costy. Hey. Okay, T. Ya phantom. Charlie Philly freestyle and say, women try you. We man try. We on top of head. What you say? Mama, where did me find rhyme? Okay, we have 4 colors and call. Okay, T. Okay, say, but you dress ya why your colors?
What is that and more episode?
Oh, not that rapper. That's on your rapper. That's on your rapper. Oh, that's all. And of course, I will be content. It must no. Listen. Yeah, the BT.
The same BT. I think the middle last Friday. The same BT. That's the rapper.
That's the rapper.
It's in front.
That's all the manchini moko toes near Mimi defining rhythmic African poetry. Listen. It's a movie beyond that one the other. Cabafron. No, missing Cabafron director. Much a match no we cassatin team director and Adobe when you phone no. Director on your rapper. Obi will fear me stress am is we rap. They are transing here try rap and I'm a rap back on the mama no crowns way. But I'm a fan of some 2 ways so. Obi or say hasty. Obi a cock with chikra and ye plenty. Yenja ye home. Obi a what was a casting. Hey, men are Mr. Pesting. Pesty, pata, hitting. Shall I me hiti? Mama me hiti. Do re mi fa so lati do. Obi a di what or say, oni do me a shame me one time. Minum coke, eh? What say? Una the den. Odia hinkai on your rapper. Mina make me. See, hey. What eh? What say? Mother bebe. Kick say. Hitty kicking. Or your pasta or be carton say. Rebaba. Kaka barbaba. Tiki karam. Kaka barababa. Nasu or yazan. Hey, oya, son, me de to for my wow, Charlie, don't go there. My mom, me boom for there. I just saw the Retabaha man in your rap beam. Or rap on the front. Anyway, so you are live on the radio 93.3 FM and Friday. Energy say and they call no the as here. At the top for my if you had nipa Miss Rono, I could feel a jiri, asa. If you Kofi Ejiri pay the rap pass everybody for this house. Apart from Kofi Ejiri, Obi anya rapper. It's we Ejiri few amen ame. But yeah, I don't understand why people say Odia Nkan is a rapper. Like how? Odia Nkan, when you for munya mumbro, they say, no that for politics kakra, and then oh there be, yeah, you better define a rhythmic African poetry. No that that's an amazing say, you know. Mama word and I'm there rhyming. And I shall send me for Costi and rhyming. And I'm saying your friend me Costi. What you say? Menya slim or coffee send me the deep plenty. Yeah, rhyme you. So a Costi plenty. What I say? Ain't your figure. Anyway, it's called Color Studios and they go to embroidery. And then because they have freestyle show on internet, let me see the motivational message. Should you even give motivational message? It's a Friday. I've been telling you guys, say Fridays there no motivational message. Charlie and Tunk of on Friday, won't ye? Was Friday the probably other way. Anyways, Young Color Studios and tickets to embroidery in the track on Chimoda Liberty Transport opposite Canal Performance. Oklahoma, me part of the services nibi and your wedding photography, birthday photography, studio photography, picture framing and passport pictures, and our face on banner, school crest, church Lacoste embroidery, school Lacoste embroidery, fresh star embroidery, cap embroidery, police uniform embroidery, and our for your trainee will be our person or your video editor. And also a photographer or by a better tell I face your makeup studio so a mama why of come upon but depict the beauty if we move anyways over to me a friend was 0245276638 0245276638 and of course it's a Friday and most definitely we're gonna warm you up for the weekend. So let me ask you, if you're looking for an ultimate spot to unwind and have a blast, then look no further than Level 360 Pub located on Amantra Jubilee Hospital Road. So at Level 360 Pub, we've got it all. Great music, delicious drink, and a lively atmosphere that will keep you grooving all night. Whether you are celebrating a special occasion or just looking for a fine night out with your friends, Level 360 Pub is the place to be. Our friendly staffs will make sure you have an unforgettable experience, serving up your favorite cocktails and ice cold beers with a wide range of music genres, from the latest hit to the throwback classic. Our talented DJs will keep the dance floor packed and the energy high. So get ready to show off your moves and make memories that will last a lifetime. Level 360 Pub, we say, remember, the fun never stops. So at Level 360, we give you ultimate pop experience. We give you back-to-back energy, back-to-back fun. Your friends and yourself will always have an unforgettable memories. So call us on 05405357777, 05405357777. Level 360, we got you sorted. Right, so Ochina first, right? It's Ochina. I kind of Europa Champions League final game between Real Madrid and Borussia Dortmund, a game on the Becastle. And of course, I think kind of we are moving all the way to Achemasene NYC Pub, which is New York City Pub. Nah, yeah, come proper. It's on a giant screen, 5 p.m. sharp. I want to say discussions and fun games in the Castle. NYC Pub, Achim Aseni Erisa Road. And to open so you see there, you can give us a call. Call us on 0247 581 446. 0247 581 446. Trying to Freya Insesea. Call us right now. Right, so I kind of inter-town football gala. We say the Ghana and European season is over. So I kind of inter-town competition has taken over, and it's time to show your talent and hype your town through football. So if you are not Chima Boabo or than Asene Manso Acrosso or than Quanta Chiansi Achim Swedra Benasi or wherever you hear my voice now, where you feel say you can raise a football team of 18 squad. 18 strong men, 18 skillful players. If you think you can raise such people or team to compete, then the time is now. I will come on our front base and come pick forms for free. You will only pay 300 cedis for participating.
So in kind of inter-town football gala, we got a lot of benefits for you. So we will bring in football scouts from Kempon Football Academy, and you're also going to have a branded Ahinkan FM jersey, and the winner takes home a big trophy. So for more inquiries, reach us on 0241 512 388 0241 512 388. And I'll say your proud geograph. I'm gonna go for a quick commercial break here. We'll go for a quick commercial break. We go, come on. Still now, the party's still there here. It's a Friday. They be a make come, I'm a Sanka just in case. And then that will do Casa Fidia to who I'm a patch. This is how the show they go on Fridays. Oh, yeah, I say it's a mixture of everything. Some it's a mixture of me I not be comedian, but it be mixture of some more comedy and party experience. Oh, yeah, I say it's a mixture of everything. They give you some urban radio kind of style on Fridays. So, a friend waba, the more quaba, I hire Hinkan 93.3 of This is how the Friday show they run. This is how the Friday show they go. And this is why this is the best mid morning. Your cover is here. Can you keep this same instrumental for me? Maybe rap. Your bass is here.
So na yaru be de muntum gra. Yesu bebrebe ya bese mu yi ana.
Bra kwesi. Me kunu pnia na epne se me fa ni nko ni krom o. Ko ni malaria tete ne dodo.
Oh, Ava One Herbal capsules and an mixture. Ebubu yare gu for me monte. Enem de ade asiemu. Se ba no koko yare ade a edura ohia ne Ava One Herbal capsules. Ebu edwuma pa. Na mixture me kira Ava One Herbal mixture so de. Malaria sro no kokokoko. Etu malaria se. Wenu mu ato. Awana de o. Umpo mu ayemre. Bobi. Omodoso nyana o drugstores and herbal shops. Jomo number 05544800062. Ava no ye ALVA. Edro nyama penfo. Nyoma ne benufo. Ene abofra on di fie dumienu. Oya malaria test. Na say positive. We dura ne Ava One Herbal mixture. Wa akimoda open dodo etu a. Obehu omo pepiase ampedu. Omo Akim State College junction ne so. Abo main road ne so. Ubenye biso ato a 14 drugstore. Kinop Pharmacy. Ochiniba drugstore. Akim State so. Bosume Pharmacy. Ena Chime Wisasu KB drugstore. Ava One Herbal capsules nene mesha peking crime FDA aji ejwedi enkrato yato.
I was built to be the best, number one and nothing less.
The European soccer season is over, and Ahinkan 93.3 FM has taken over. Ahinkan Intertowns Football Gala. Now we there a busted Nangasa. When the bra ubetimi achrewa duma chede our ball boom. Do hear ne say when ukro ebe yimrante makumaku edunwotwe 18-man squad. I be Jem Ediama ukro ewo Ahinkan FM Intertowns Football Gala ni. Na just obia de town team ever. You hear ne say ubeba Ahinkan FM. I wo achim abuabo. Your front desk no be for form.
Forms are free. Affiliation fee 300 Ghana cedis.
E masa kwenya we empa ho na ampaya na ega enigen jama momome kromu beye dankasa. The sports team of Ahinkan 93.3 FM ebe storm kro biem near the live commentary abramo wamra yesi sakan na me kura the jama section kura na egu no obeti jauna wo to be jauna wo to be yari o laje yari so gogo yari o laje yari so gogo Ahinkan FM Intertowns Football Gala ebeye de na some person register so number be friend 0241 512388 0241 512388 enyumaku a eta yechi near the Ahinkan FM Intertown Football Gala abramo any Kempon Football Academy. Soccer at its best. Frames Oil Energy on the go. Asanso Furniture. Se wupe furniture papa. Ehwa ni ufie. Danwook Enterprise. Se eba hardware ewon krani ni mpatam dia oteso. Enkasa Fabrics. Wupe fabrics papa apam na fatawa. Enwa ni enkasa. Angel Bakery. Eye pan pano show pano dedo St. Philip's Enterprise enter the penny fee and a vitamin Ayanka FM Intertown Football Gala Ebafe Bay Ebayan Piso Kashe Bay.
Stand up. Asa na de fia e hrampa o.
Ha, eye ban 20 enama efia ehwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA Binding and Co Limited. En wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ne se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nansen kwada nyoma ania te se wan. Eye parazo enu ana me de sie.
Medo, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni na afro. Na ade ba de na ahụhụrụ pụto bi dị isi.
Eya akasha anụwa na mede etu apopo bibre nyina ase no bia papa pata asusu nyina eso atese wan no.
Nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila. Uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi.
Medeta wo eya JA Binding Snake Reparant na mede etu o masesa no.
Enu omo wo niema papa.
Ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amede ma wo horo wo nsen uhu ana. Ai enu aso na mede wo horo nchase mu nyina da.
Ene we die medi adanse akira mansan. Fa no mo wo.
Womunioma no ubenya biato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabuase bonga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo pani do so pomato a ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ba me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso omudin ni body say
JA Binding and Co Limited.
Ja, me drew ho sesia.
Mafili, esana chile. Hanso ye guy. Minya, baby, I obetina jiwani. Awasu mejo. Ehu hiao. Level 360 pop nkwa. Ena ubenya sa ultimate experience no. Level 360 pop. Ebi na pon ato hama. Obi opeso ye birthday. Obi opeso ye graduation. Metre empon ho. Ana empo birthday bia no. Bra. Siketwie bi anim. Na emom obeton sawa ha. Football games bia so no. Bra. Na behwe ye was secure car park. Jack, ye security airtight. Ye wa mantra top ha. Fita phone mu ha and I be level 360 pop Jack no boys no girls munyina mum brani engi ni besre 0540 535777 0540 535777 na jinchire mu achi me level 360 pop e be ma ultimate pop experience.
Asam papa bi amati oye Asem papa bi amati offer oye
asem papa be na watia offer oye ye di asem da no
oh menua eye HJ Africa domini CSR Ghana heya eno makabom eno ma me how to atwa nei metu sa nwum yo o makofa organic fertilizer ba eye wafuo ni ye esiesi asase epammoa na ma wono ba no eso doso
kuafo ene fertilizer ho ye din yenya bi kura nto ebo no so ayetare
eno so tiri mani essence offer kakra bi bottle ba ko 2 acres ebeye ne kama na besusu se doso enu ntina me bo hu dawro ediama Ghana kuafo nyina se opo ma kira kwan a from 055 5592707 and I say 050459446 any baby a talk ya hu ni o ma bia
offer organic fertilizer
as a baby a offer oye
offer
kakra bi su no ba no e be su
Hi, you're from your foreman. Mejuma Sweni, ain't obia pemasem. Sa wodi wajuma shamisa. Mesha se, usika enko waste. Inti, me tomenyo meni na free junk trading enterprise. Mr. Mensa, ana, chairman Mensa chain. Enti sa upe cement, gasem, diamond, ana se, simaf. Ningina, ubenye bi ato, Mr. Mensa, ana, chairman Mensa chain. Open nadwa, all inches, iron rods, 16 mm to quarter rods, POP, plaster balls, kenoff, papa pani bi, fiber
fiber, set tinting anatetia, opeshri barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa butchery paints, home champ, big and as a small size. Ningina, ubenye biatowo, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, anasa Chairman Mensa Cheng, or Wakameni Junction, on Ijaji and Editioning, from 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880. Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
It's gonna be a war in the club. It's gonna be a war in the club. She just wanna commit a crime. She just wanna commit a crime. Makuma, punching mame, Otto Makuma, punching mame, Makuma, punching mame, Otto Makuma, punching mame. Auntie Rabe, what am I seeing? Auntie Rabe, Auntie Rabe, what am I seeing? Okay, we rock and smooth, we rock.
She thinks that she got some mugu. Hey, now she thinks that she got some maga. So she won't come and drop my dollar. I'll be the master, you be the mugu. I'll be the master, you be the mugu. I'll be the master, you be the mugu. See, which kind of wanna be this? So why you won't come and spend my money? See, why you won't come and spend my money? Today, you know go be your day. Today, you know go be your day.
Try me, so dumb, no pay me, just so dumb me. No one try me, so dumb me. Yen Chessy, Nen Pussy, me brony, Jam Bibi, Kuma so name him, me yassi me brony, Pasta grass me ya catchy, so ni more say ya me te honey. Magic chain who so ni move fit na no, but ni din man na mami keys. Na me this a G, Nina, ne yaza, but she kill my spirit. Make her cry, make her die, make her cry. She tell her friends say I'll be mugu. She catch me chopping, she say I'll be too good. She flex me like me, she say she from Ouagadougou. Who be the mugu? I'll be the master.
See, now she thinks that she got some mugu. Hey, now she thinks that she got some maga. So she won't come and drop my dollar. I'll be the master, you be the mugu. I'll be the master, you be the mugu. I'll be the master, you be the mugu. See, which kind of wanna be this? So why you won't come and spend my money? Which kind of wanna be this? So see, why you won't come and spend my money? Today, you know go be your day. Today, you know go be your day. See, no lie, make you go away. I don't know, say that's all you did. Me, I just ain't like you, no be say I don't degrade. No lie, make you go away. I don't know, say that's all you did. Me, I just ain't like you, no be say I don't degrade. We get so party up the list, she's just a baby. It's a no-way party. I'm glad that they we got a bank who want to love you, but on what I want to get a layer. From the yam with the lips super cara. What is that, my Niger people? Don't just stand and watch it. Ladies and gentlemen, grab somebody. This party that makes sense. Don't just stand and watch it. Ladies and gentlemen, grab somebody. Party to the makes sense.
give me your mama. Which one I go, why are you more? Don't just stand there, water. Ladies and gentlemen, grab somebody, back to the next sense. Don't just stand there, water. Ladies and gentlemen, grab somebody, back to the next sense. I'm in love, I've been searching you, yeah. Now I see you, yeah, you're back in there, oh my leg. Hey, I'm in love, I've been searching you, yeah. Now I see you, yeah, you're back in there, oh my leg.
Stubborn academy, 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 stubborn academy. How much be your salary? 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 Your girlfriend in my gallery, she in my gallery. Stubborn academy, stubborn academy. Small nyash they shit, small nyash they shit. Big boys they play, big boys they play. We the pop champagne, we the pop champagne. Bel Air rosé, left me make I do my thing, make I do my thing. You are not my mate, you are not my mate. MC are the craze, MC are the craze. I can't compromise. We the hop everywhere, you be grass cutter. See your makeup, you be carry shaka. I got you outside, very fair. I got it very fair. Any PK3, any Chairman,
Sa Khalifa, many a Gina, Madame Dieu. Wala say and one I'm just checking me movements. Wala tu wala say and one I'm just checking me far. Why is a bro my yanka? Oh yeah, don't you know hunti? Oh yeah, never bro ni sin into my bochi bahata na bibi muhanya yanka venti bianeme. But you know the firewood. Aqua bronze ye that dream who sending power tinka unchro. Bonfra, yeah, so near Pia, and Tuesday, midday, that you who send in power and come on chro. Bonfra, yeah, so near Pia, Yaka. Madame Tia, baby, that's your call. Woman, sit papa, baby, what I can papa, Papa, and Ujana when you come on swada, na mene maufumu papa. Same flower bread, same flower phone say afe. Ujana when baby.
entertainment. Once a great chapter on the beat.
It's Chapter Beats.
Yeah, I like your style, oh. Your walking, I like your style, oh. I wanna know where you from, aka Jason. I like your style, oh. Aka Belengana, echo na tukaje Ghana. Ekwa kumi poke mpuma, ena kumi poke mpuma. Aka Belengana, echo na tukaje Ghana. Ekwa kumi poke mpuma, ena kumi poke mpuma. Pok minjabo, na ulange da moshi. Minjabo, siya yoga fe gidi gidi, ya minjabo. I'm finding out you want me. Minjabo, siya yoga fe gidi gidi. Min yo dawo, she go dawo alo. I will love my baby, my boo. No let no see me, my fool. No come to where for me. 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 Oh, see me, my yes, again. Oh, no, come on, the music. You must chop my money, yeah. Cause my bank alerts na baga. My checking on the bounce. My mansion on the bottom. Baby, take a look around. My bank alerts na baga. My checking on the bounce. My mansion on the bottom. Make you take a look around. Girl, it's up to you. What are the prayers you say I do? Go tell your papa. Say I need a come for you.
Sika. What up? Oh, yes, Sika. Yo, call me T-Pain, I'm in love with a stripper. Word on the street is pay 10 jigger. Go now with a celeb, I'm my Van Vicker. To make headlines, I'm loud on the speaker. So my girl hears and calls. With tears, she talks, I say, baby, please don't fear it's false. You know your peers, of course, they talk them, they libby, laba, when you're not lost. You be my baby, in you I trust. Sometimes you drive me crazy, but I'll never stop. It's been rough lately, but I'll never flop. And to the God that made me move forever, pop. I'm here in the club, with blink. Stop, front end, and come chill with us. Win. Let's go.
Cool it down, baby, cool it down. Cool it down. Cashunil and Castro. You don't know, come and follow. Oh, yeah, make it go. Nibeni, what's to me? Look up to me. Nibeni, you don't go me.
When you see can be wakra. One out can say media, you go to empty say bata. Anyone know anyone there I feel I did be a era. Woman ke wo me no for a go diga. I want to party go I feel the asema ba. Woman ke wo me no for a go diga. I want to party go I feel the asema ba. I think I close my measure. She should walk on Yanni and me pay. I don't come back, me there. I think I know. The black goes to my measure. She should walk on Yanni and me pay. I don't come back, me there. Sorry, I'm about to promise. I'm so wanting me. Share me pentas what you are, baby. Now me chilling. Hey, matching slim girl, now soon piercings by 20. I saw this free if I call share my fit. Into your rollie and I say shit. To your hate it, we are them cry, I hate it. Yell you not crop over and get it. Just so now I say shit. Blood to now I hate it. We are them cry, I hate it. Yell you not crop over and get. Woman, ke wo me no for a go diga. I want to party go my feel the asema ba. Woman, ke wo me no for a go diga. I want to party go my feel the asema ba. I sing a very I sing a na. If not close to my
ye free cross tia na ye ho agye fiemu ka ye chesika ya ye chenu mienu say ambogampa ya ne ye apemu fize yenya minayo ye bokambaya we need a sponsor ade nyansaya yenya minayo ye bokambaya we need a sponsor ade nyansaya
fridge. Hey, my you, Fred Chelsea, you push him for bridge. Drill it, we are Nampire grill. Empty pocket, send a wash, and your bottom best feel it. Yakun, watch me don't come freckle. What them best I can't you, who this can start, shut out vibes, I change that. You won't answer, or super so bad answer. Then I yank my mom was so laundry. When you man, I had to keep to the city rap. Let's make a boy and kia. We have a sasu bathing gun and tia, yeah, consent, yeah, yes, and I am picking up. Yeah, believe it. Scratch it, legit. Matches, fash it. What I do. Yeah, you free good, yeah, I am one. Miss Ina, Baba area, yeah. Me Tiasi, me Ding Kunim. Okami one team, Miss Sarah Medi. Fama Yadi, so it's your better. The rain go fall.
So nyame ayewie watching up penny a chat free mummy and say pain it's why you ni there I just say enche esudie ye beja isu we as here right Antoine there shut up on any asian kasa bebre e ma party ni susa was I was here Antoine there so sene be ya and I call Friday about 12 mete say kran na just a commercial bank akasa what is here aha dia Antoine there sir me pa cho ma will fruit juice ventures watchim swabe ba konso watchim wenchi na at ma will fruit juice ventures ade omo ye ni omo de excavators rente omo de bulldozers afensu loaders oni nyina omo de rente and after you would me na ebi a obe ya fra na we engagement na open mattress avrente at the mawa ho da so open canopies and I say open kunya Pachoma will fruit juice ventures set to safra one and I say we chira kwan na ombo out after you say we miner and I say we foreman dia mo construction works open excavator so they di juma open bulldozers and open loaders and I say open heavy duty machines bi ano ma will fruit juice ventures say to safra na o kwan bebre obetimi afaso e dia boa o de chira kwan biem no e wachim so abe e na chim wanchi e de fra 0541470857 and 0200787889 e duro e ba center sabe fan to woni mu se yare no o se na so den se den yare no so e stubborn se den o se onko e ma wasumunjo onko ma wunye adwuma onko e ma wunya asumdwe dia fa ne bra na so e duro e ba center e ba cho mo the pure herbs no bi na e na wo de say yare wo na so e afo so wo mo e wo ye well qualified doctors and nurses almost so betimi abo na yare ni na ase etu anasa in the 3D yare cocoa sexual dysfunctions and of a STDs ahodoɔ bia wode kɔ aduro ya wobɛtu aseɛ diabetes pressure ne nyinaa wɔmtu aseɛ wɔ aduro ya ba center yɛwɔ ɛyɛ toxin machines nso wɔ hɔ ɛbɛtumi de detoxify bɛboa yie panti bra aduro yɛ yɛhyɛ akwan apia ne junction na Opsi Sunset Beauty Salon 0599419321 0599419321 Old Up Kwanzaa Trading Babachonia omuye wona so ye ni womuton beverages but me can beverages na me chere insan ahodo bebre and to say insan alcohol ana say eye dokodoko nsan nyina na onya bi na obenya bi e wo Old Up Kwanzaa Trading we are retail and wholesale as well. It's called Old Up Kwanzaa Trading. Nakope in Sambia opesa woto edidi ujuma. Afe upe nsuo ahodwo upe Bell Aqua products, upe Vortic products, upe Special Ice, upe Vena. And afe products bi akaiba nsuo nkwandia. Old Up Kwanzaa Trading Enterprises bra. Na afe be pensa ewo na so yan se be pensuo enso ewo na so ye le twa kan wa chim man so wo ben so mesh no na afi obi hu na biem so wo ye crossing opposite our Otolege Information Center behind Polo Bicycle Repair and Hona Behono. About your friend 0549-530-462 and at 053-470-8142. Old Up Kwanzaa Trading. I mean, if I won't feel messing call Achim Odan Akameni Junction. A Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mason as a chairman Mason. You can't Jam Trading Enterprise, are not just a you can't a dance here on your man. You can't a dance here on your man. Jam Trading Enterprise and obey. Na u project na we see when you so now person we no. Wow. The iron rush, POP, plasterboards, fiber, center panels, marine board, plywood in India, Kenya, center panels, BBR. I had this dying and I had a project I would want about Jam Trading Enterprise. I be wow, me patch of Brasseya, menche, Brasseya, Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Manson, the chairman, Manson, because the young man in I papa never wants to airful. The check on watching more than coming in junction 0208-123-872 and 0244-566-880.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Now from Pawn Enterprise, a Jumera. Now I just somehow said what the papa from Pawn Enterprise, you're acquiring a watch him or damn Mandarina Hotel. I see why when you drew up a from Pawn aircraft, I already sober wow. In fact, the BMX now have a country from Pawn. There's a ban of provisions, a ban of cosmetics, a ban of stationaries, and a ban in your mind, Yento and a boy for Biagia Tumudia. My patron from Pawn Enterprise. Buy a sign from Pawn Enterprise on. Na and Kobe Bia was so by from Pawn Enterprise, bra. Na bedija e wona so ye. Ne nkrabata ne de doso AAP bebre. Mamidi kan enfa wonko Mandarina Hotel asie ho. Me ba cho so do Mandarina Hotel asie ho ma from Pawn Enterprise shop no. Honoma a Jman sa Nim Hona so ube who say your cosmetic shop won chain ho and a big Joe phones and chain house no drink shop drinks now power benyebi cosmetics now power benyebi after ban electrical accessories in so Liberty Lane my the cost station no Akuna story building the up seats Hono be electrical accessory shop no. And it's a open robe lights, open lamp holder, multi-socket, fridge guide. In fact, electrical accessories we are no call from Pon Enterprise shop na. Obenye bi ato. Afe oba chemoda men containing new marketer from Pon Enterprise shop no wo ho eye adwuma. Open TV, multi-TV decoder, DSTV decoder, open fridge. You know, for the trim from Pon Enterprise or new market. Afe Absa Bank in the opposite no. From Pon Enterprise shop a year 24/7 no honey and a part area and numere a home marché. Ton drinks, ton cosmetics. Provisions, electrical gadgets, just name them, or a year from Pon Enterprise. So say ya, Nakodija. If you open treasury moon, I chain media 0244 897525 0206 473 953 and 0242 111 236 from Pon Enterprise. Jumera also what the papa chair. We're joining to your party, so we have about few minutes now for your sorry on your Friday. Yeah, cowboy and Wabanyami Adoma or China, which is a Saturday. I saw China no a more of rap music or another more of rap show. Yes, because KT is going to be in the house tomorrow. Stay tuned. And your party.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Big still I don't lie when I say I did it. Big stars, big cash my way, but still I can't believe. Under 1 minute, still I can't believe. But I can't blame myself for this shit. New man that was born for this shit. Of course I fucked up. Who never fucked up? Hands in the air. No hands. Still I can't believe. You know what I mean? I was young, what you expect from me? It is what it is. But I keep going, no. More like a rolling stone, cause I have no stopping time. Can nobody stop a man? Oh, I keep going, no. More like a rolling stone, cause I have no stopping time. Can nobody stop a man? No, I'm gonna run my race. I'm gonna keep my pace. Cause I really have no one to play. When I fall again, I can't stand this pain. I can't watch me fail. So anytime you pray, remember my name, remember you know a traveler. The name is Greg Wood, the hustler. He's been far away, testing Kuala Lumpur. I'll be back again for me coming 9 years. Swear on my life, I can't wait to be back. I know you miss me, I know. Remember you know a traveler. The name is Greg Wood, the hustler. He's been far away, testing Kuala Lumpur. I'll be back again for me coming 9 years. Swear on my life, I can't wait to be back. I know you miss me, I know. When it's on and it's on, you can't stop till it's done. See, goddamn, na me walk. Brandy, I'm a sister. It's a great man. That ain't one, I mean. It's a great man. It's a great man.
Obituary near Beauport. Sunny at your once and up a so tough. As I can Paluta and me full force. So when in Babia, you feel the bar. See, I catch it over time and you see ma. I swear that for the arena. And you have to coins a caterpillar. See, you're for a man, see, you're from punching and for. You're for a man, oh, you're punching a phone phone. You're from a java, you're from punching a phone. You're from a java, you're from punching a phone. Why not let him say, if you're a woman, baby, and now, man, I'll be your brimstone. It's skin part of privacy.
This life no be easy, so be around on the duty. Young boy in a city, TS switch up to me. This life they do me. Me kwame koya ya see, I tell my room to me. I see your best in the bar, go best can I go in the bar. I go look sharp, talk in Baluta, we go go there some cool cinema. It's the one, it's the two best in the bar. We go vibe, we go go girls in the line, girls in the line. Menya sikane, ana menya sikachana, ana menya ya mama, let's go see my brother. Omunya ya kaya po, omunya ya kaya tete, that's why I pipi, that's why I hit it. The dream, sipping Hennessy, no, but sorry after, bravo, Bonnie, dear me, I say, oh, he was meant to be, affect me mentally, renting no be free. Yes, way, now tia, my, Jama fan of sour, dirty life with the living, so you ain't be my mommy. Hey, shepherd of a sour, must fan of sour, hard life with the living, so you ain't be my puppy. You, me don't come at you, me don't come at you, and then I mean it, yeah, tell my husband, brother, boy, I never don't come at you, me don't come at you, and then I mean it, yeah, my husband, brother, boy, I never don't come at you.
Senegal, Overfetuo, what the bar. Run away, me the car. Me fear rap and me met a bar. Then Kusikan to your rento now. Because to be the me call the bar. Me church man la jam. Wine who no. Pressure, son. A chairman be some wine who no. Na me puno me fear rap no. Boo no. Woo. Me plan me my cool no. Shapra some force some me shapra me take a fool no. Na me be no come to. Me no come to.
Folks no na ya share. Girls no na ya pay. Yes, Kabia and Chay and the Brabia boy, and if you're a Babushi, Sikana Saya Coffee, Ojo, Akoshi, Sikana Saya Coffee. Folks no na ya share, girls no na ya pay. Yes, Kabia and Chay and the Brabia boy, and if you're a Babushi, Sikana Saya Coffee, Ojo. What's the one on the one check you? I push it back. Lately I just want to worry. Always been a little, I'm in a petition. Lately it's
More music on DavePlay.com.
Hard times don't last. Remember when cops are rats talking out my ass? Boy, you ain't shit but a bitch with a badge.
It's about time we leave the studios. It's about time we prove way. I feel your friend's teacher though. Alright, so yeah, call. Your friend Jenny Champion coming aboard. And I'm going to make a show. You be showbiz 933 or channel.